Gold and oil both sank to two-week lows against a fast-falling US dollar on Tuesday, with the safe haven precious metal testing $3,300 per ounce, after President Trump used his TruthSocial platform to announce a ceasefire in the Middle East, to lambast both Iran and Israel for breaking it, and to call for Congress to work over Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell for not cutting U.S. interest rates. "Europe has had 10 cuts. We have had 0, said the latest tweet from Trump attacking the Powell Fed. "No inflation, great economy. We should be at least 2 to 3 points lower. Would save the USA $800 billion per year plus in debt interest costs. I hope Congress really works this very dumb, hard-headed person over," the president added, ahead of Powell delivering today's regular testimony to lawmakers on Capitol Hill. "We will be paying for his incompetence for many years to come." Dropping to $3,300, as New York opened Tuesday, dollar-priced gold had fixed around $3,320 at London's 10:30 a.m. benchmarking auction, down 1.8% from yesterday's 3 p.m. price, with its steepest such drop since mid-May, after Trump ordered Israel in a TruthSocial tweet to turn around bomber planes heading for Iran ahead of today's ceasefire deadline. Crude oil fell harder, sinking to $68 per barrel of global benchmark Brent to erase all of the past 2 weeks' jump and losing 16.7% from Monday morning's new 4-month high, hit after the weekend's U.S. bunker buster bomb attacks on 3 of Iran's nuclear research sites. New York stock markets then opened the day 0.8% higher, following global equities upwards, while Western government debt also rose in price, edging longer-term borrowing costs lower following Trump's latest attack on the U.S. Fed, and helping the TLT ETF of U.S. Treasury bonds tick up towards break-even for 2025 to date. "You know what we have?" A visibly angry Trump asked reporters in Washington this morning after telling Jerusalem to "bring home your pilots now" on TruthSocial. "We basically have 2 countries that have been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the F they're doing." With the dollar falling hard on the currency market, gold priced in sterling sank to 4-week lows beneath £2,430, and euro gold plunged to its lowest in almost 6 weeks at €2,847 as the single currency jumped towards early June's 44-month highs near $1.17. "Should inflation pressures remain contained, I would support lowering the policy rate as soon as our next meeting," said Fed Governor Michelle Bowman on Monday, echoing comments made on Friday by fellow Trump appointee Christopher Waller. "We're in a good spot right now for talking about bringing the rate down," said Waller, just 2 days after the Fed voted to hold overnight rates at 4.33% for the 6th month running. But the labor market remains at or near maximum employment, and inflation is also remaining somewhat elevated, said Powell in his opening remarks to Congress today. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.